Strengthening Faith 109. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Allah, the Exalted, guides those who sincerely try to obey Him. This involves using the blessings He has granted them in ways pleasing to Him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. But those who persistently disobey Him are left to wander blindly in misguidance. Therefore, it is vital for Muslims to sincerely obey Allah, the Exalted, as persistent disobedience leads to corruption of the spiritual heart and one's actions. This is similar to a person who is warned by a judge not to behave in an unlawful way, but after the person persists on this behavior, the judge gives the order for them to be locked up in prison. Therefore Allah, the Exalted, has not wronged them, they have only wronged themselves. But it is important to note that as being abandoned in misguidance is a spiritual thing and therefore hidden to mankind, it is important for Muslims not to assume certain people have reached this point. Instead, they should think positively about all people and therefore sincerely practically aid them in reforming their belief and behavior. Allah, the Exalted, has created human beings with the best possible capabilities. He gave them knowledge and power to differentiate between good and evil, and even placed in them an innate inclination to like what is good and to dislike and avoid what is evil. This has been indicated in a narration found in Jami'a at-Tirmidhi, number 2389. Allah, the Exalted, has also granted mankind free will to choose between good and evil. This choice plays a role in enhancing or diminishing a person's natural faculties of reason. Chapter 91 Ash-Shams, verses 9-10.
He has succeeded who purifies it, the spiritual heart, the greatest faculty of reason. And he has failed who instills it with corruption.
When a person chooses a path of goodness, their natural potential develops and Allah, the Exalted, grants them further support in their efforts. Chapter 29 Al-Ankabut, verse 69.
And those who strive for us, we will surely guide them to our ways.
But if one follows their evil desires and chooses the evil path, gradually their spiritual hearts will become engrossed with darkness, and no good will remain therein. This has been indicated in a narration found in Jami'a at-Tirmidhi, number 3334. If a person fails to repent, then the main verse under discussion comes into effect. This person becomes so engrossed in evil that they find joy in their evil mentality and actions. They absolutely hate anything good.